Welcome to Right Choose.
Top 10 Best Digital SLR Camera in 2022.
Top 1.
Canon EOS 5D Mark IV Full-Frame Digital SLR Camera, with f/24 to 105mm f4L is 2 USM lens kit with Canon f/16 35mm. 30.4 MP full-frame CMOS sensor for versatile shooting, aspect ratio 3:2. Up to 7.0 frames per second continuous shooting speed. High-performance L-series ultra-wide-angle zoom lens with constant f2.8 maximum aperture. All-new optical design for significant improvements in outer and corner sharpness.
Top 2.
Canon EOS 5D Mark IV full-frame digital SLR camera body with Canon f/16 to 35mm f/2.8 L3 USM lens. 30.4 MP full-frame CMOS sensor for versatile shooting. Up to 7.0 frames per second continuous shooting speed. High performance L-series ultra-wide-angle zoom lens with constant f/2.8 maximum aperture. All-new optical design for significant improvements in outer and corner sharpness.
Top 3.
Canon EOS 5D Mark IV full-frame digital SLR camera body. New 30.4 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor for versatile shooting in nearly any light, with ISO range 100 to 32,000, expandable up to 50 to 100 and 2,400, equivalent ISO. 4K motion JPEG video. DCI Cinematype 4096x2160 at 30p or 24p, in cameras still frame grab of 4K 8.8 megapixel images. Multiple video options include Full HD up to 60p, and HD up to 120p. Superb dual pixel CMOS AF for responsive and smooth AF during video or live view shooting. LCD monitor has a full touch screen interface, including selection of AF area. Excellent performance up to 7.0 FPS continuous shooting speed with
Top 4.
Nikon D850 FX format digital SLR camera body. Nikon designed backside illuminated, BSI, full-frame image sensor with no optical low-pass filter. 45.7 megapixels of extraordinary resolution, outstanding dynamic range and virtually no risk of moire. Up to 9 FPS 1 continuous shooting at full resolution with full AF performance. 8K 6 and 4K time-lapse movies with new levels of sharpness and detail. File system, DCF 2.0, EXIF 2.31, PIC bridge. Tilting touch screen, focus shift shooting mode, outstanding battery performance and much more. Total pixels, 46.89 million. 4K Ultra HD video recording. Slow motion up to 120 FPS at 1080p.
Top 5.
Canon DSLR camera EOS 90D with 18 to 135 is USM lens, built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, DIGIC 8 image processor, 4K video, dual pixel CMOS AF, and 3.0-inch vari-angle touch LCD screen, black. High image quality with 32.5 megapixel CMOS, APS-C, sensor. High-speed continuous shooting of up to 10 fps with no time lag during off shooting. 4K UHD 30p Full HD 120p video. 45-point all-cross type AF system supports up to 27 points with an f8 metering. Use the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software, Mac and Windows, to turn your Canon camera into a high-quality webcam, or do the same using a clean HDMI output.
Top 6.
Canon EOS 5D Mark III 22.3 MP full-frame CMOS digital SLR camera, with f/24 to 70mm f4 LIS kit. 22 MP full-frame CMOS sensor 6 frames per second continuous shooting, 61-point AF system, ISO 125600 range with 50 to 100 and 2800 expansion, 1080p HD video recording with manual controls, 3.2-inch LCD with 1,040,000 dots. The power to create. Canon is proud to present the highly anticipated EOS 5D Mark III. With supercharged EOS performance and stunning full-frame, high-resolution image capture, the EOS 5D Mark III is designed to perform. Kit contains EOS 5D Mark III body, iCup EG, camera cover RF3, wide strap U EOS 5 Nikon, battery charger LCE6, battery pack LPE6, stereo video cable, interface cable IFC200U, EOS Digital Solution Disc, EFSR, f/24-70mm/. Top 7. Canon EOS 5D Mark IV full-frame digital SLR camera, with f/24 to 105mm f4L is 2 USM lens kit, renewed. 30.4 MP full-frame CMOS sensor for versatile shooting. Up to 7.0 frames per second continuous shooting speed. 61-point AF system with 41 crosspoints for expanded vertical coverage. ISO range 100 to 32,000 with 50 to 100 and 2,400 expansion. Providing approximately 12 stops of dynamic range, even in low light. 30.4 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, ISO range 100 to 32,000, expandable up to 50 to 100 and 2,400. 4K motion JPEG video, DCI Cinematype 4096 x 2160, at 30p or 24p LCD monitor. Full touch screen interface up to 7.0 fps continuous shooting speed. DIGIC 6 Plus image processor, 61 AF points with expanded vertical coverage, 150,000 pixel RGB plus IR metering sensor. Dual. Top 8. Canon EOS 5D Mark IV digital SLR camera bundle, with f/24 to 105mm f4L is 2 USM lens plus Canon f/75 to 300mm 3 lens plus 500mm preset lens plus professional accessory bundle, 15 items. This Canon camera bundle comes complete with all standard Canon supplied accessories and 1-year seller warranty and includes Canon EOS 5D Mark IV 22.3MP DSLR camera, 0.4MP full-frame CMOS sensor, DIGIC 6 Plus image processor, 3.21.62M touchscreen LCD monitor, DCI 4K video at 30 fps, 8.8MP still grab, 61-point high density reticular AF, native ISO 32000, expanded to ISO 100 and 2400, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi with NFC. Top 9. Canon EOS 5D Mark IV DSLR camera W24-105mm STM lens plus Canon f75-300mm 3 lens, Canon 50mm f1.8, 500mm lens and 650-1300mm lens plus deluxe backpack plus 64GB memory plus monopod plus professional bundle. This Canon camera bundle comes with manufacturer supplied accessories and 1-year seller warranty. Canon EOS 5D Mark IV 30.4MP DSLR camera, 0.4MP full-frame CMOS sensor, DIGIC 6 Plus image processor, 3.21.62M touchscreen LCD monitor, DCI 4K video at 30 fps, 8.8MP still grab, 61-point high density reticular AF, native ISO 32000, expanded to ISO 100 and 2400, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi with NFC. Canon f24-105mm f3.5-5.6 IS STM lens with f-mount lens / full-frame format. Top 10. Canon EOS 1DX Mark II Digital SLR Camera, bundle with 64GB compact flash card, camera bag, LPE19 battery, remote shutter trigger, cleaning kit, memory wallet, PC software package. Bringing the shooting speed and video capabilities required by professional multimedia image makers, the EOS 1DX Mark II is the flagship model within Canon's DSLR lineup, and is characterized by its robust processing capabilities and ability to enable a high-end multimedia workflow. At the heart of the imaging system is a full-frame 20.2MP CMOS sensor and dual DIGIC 6 Plus image processors, which contribute to fast continuous shooting rates up to 16 fps in live view, 14 fps with full-time AF and AE, and an expanded sensitivity range from ISO 50 to 400 and 9600. The sensor and processor combination also avails DCI 4K video recording at 60 fps and Full HD 1080p recording at 120 fps, along with the ability to record onboard to a CFast 2.0 memory card, or uncompressed Full HD video can be saved via HDMI to an optional external recorder. Benefiting stills shooting is an AF61-point high-density reticular AF2 system, which includes 41 cross-type points for a high degree of precision in varying light conditions.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.